The Naval Air Systems Command, NAVAIR, announced a major milestone in the evolution of the U.S. Marine Corps' unmanned aerial capabilities. An MQ-9A Reaper successfully completed its first flight equipped with 2 advanced pods designed to expand communication, surveillance, and electronic warfare capabilities. The aircraft, operated by Air Test and Evaluation Squadron, UX-24, carried both the SkyTower II pod and the RDESS/SOAR pod, marking a critical step toward initial operational capability, IOC, later this year. This flight highlights ongoing efforts to modernize the Reaper fleet and adapt it for increasingly complex and contested operational theaters in the Indo-Pacific region. The MQ-9A Reaper, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems from the Predator B platform, has long been recognized as a versatile unmanned aircraft system, UAS, capable of extended missions over both land and sea. Powered by a Honeywell TPE 331-10 turboprop engine and featuring a triple redundant avionics architecture, the Reaper combines efficiency, reliability, and modularity. It can reach speeds of up to 240 knots, fly at altitudes of 50,000 feet, and sustain missions exceeding 27 hours. Its payload capacity of 3,850 pounds, including 3,000 pounds on external hardpoints, enables it to carry a diverse array of sensors, electronic systems, and weapons, ranging from electro-optical/infrared cameras and multimode radars to SIGINT/ESM systems and precision-guided munitions. The extended range (IR) version pushes endurance even further, reaching up to 34 hours and allowing the Reaper to conduct long-duration missions far from its base of operations. Images released by NAVAIR from the August 12 flight show the MQ-9A carrying the SkyTower II pod beneath the left wing, the RDESS/SOAR pod under the right wing, and a third unidentified pod mounted on the centerline. Although no exact flight date was initially disclosed, UX-24 had confirmed the installation of the SkyTower II pod in February 2025, completing its first power-on tests. These steps confirm that the integration process is proceeding according to schedule, with both pods moving closer to operational readiness. The SkyTower II pod, developed by Galt and acquired through NAVAIR's middle-tier acquisition process, is designed to improve airborne networking and data-sharing capabilities among U.S. forces. Its primary purpose is to support intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) operations, allowing MQ-9A Reapers to function as airborne digital quarterbacks in real-time coordination across the battlefield. By linking different units and platforms through secure data networks, SkyTower II enables commanders to share critical information quickly, enhancing situational awareness and mission efficiency. The first operational deployment of the system is planned for 2026 with Marine Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Squadron 3, VMU-3, based at Kaneohe Bay, Hawaii. This squadron specializes in reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition missions, particularly within the strategically sensitive Indo-Pacific region. Complementing SkyTower II, the RDESS/SOAR pod, co-developed by General Atomics and L3Harris, adds advanced electronic support capabilities. This broad-spectrum passive system can detect, collect, and geolocate signals of interest from long distances, providing commanders with real-time insight into electronic threats and communication traffic. Some U.S. Air Force MQ-9s have already flown with the RDESS/SOAR pod since 2021, demonstrating its effectiveness in enhancing electronic situational awareness. According to U.S. Marine Corps Commandant General Eric M. Smith, the system also has the capability to replicate certain detected signals and retransmit them, adding an extra layer of operational security and resilience, though specific operational details remain classified. The combination of SkyTower II and RDESS/SOAR significantly expands the MQ-9A Reaper's mission set. The Marine Corps intends to employ these upgraded UAVs for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting, ISRT, maritime domain awareness, MDA, airborne network extension, A&E, airborne early warning, AEW, and electronic support, AES, missions. In the vast expanses of the Pacific Ocean, the Reaper's extended endurance and sensor suite allow it to maintain persistent surveillance and communication coverage, even in contested environments where range and persistence are essential. Navarre emphasized that these upgrades enhance the Marine Corps' ability to conduct expeditionary advanced base operations and maintain long-range ISR coverage over maritime regions. The MQ-9A Reaper, through its modular design, can carry a variety of payloads including electro-optical/infrared systems, maritime surveillance radars, communications relays, and electronic warfare equipment. It can also be armed for strike missions, providing a flexible tool for both intelligence gathering and combat operations. The ER variant's reinforced landing gear and wing-mounted fuel tanks further expand its operational envelope, allowing the aircraft to support missions for more than 30 hours without interruption. The August 12 test flight represents more than a technical demonstration, it signals a strategic shift in how the Marine Corps and Navy approach multi-domain operations in the Indo-Pacific. By integrating advanced pods and communication systems, the MQ-9A Reaper can act as a force multiplier, linking dispersed units, improving battlefield awareness, and enhancing survivability in electronically contested regions. These capabilities are particularly important for supporting the Marine Littoral Regiment, which relies on persistent ISR and networked systems to operate effectively in island and coastal environments. The MQ-9A has already demonstrated its value in previous deployments. The aircraft reached IOC with VMU-3 on August 2, 2023, proving its utility in maritime and coastal surveillance missions. The latest integration of SkyTower II and RDESS/SOAR builds upon that foundation, providing enhanced connectivity, signal detection, and electronic support capabilities that will be fully operational by 2026. Through these upgrades, the Marine Corps strengthens its multi-domain approach, ensuring it can operate effectively across the vast and contested spaces of the Indo-Pacific theater. With the Reaper's combination of long-range endurance, versatile payload options, and advanced electronic systems, U.S. forces are now better equipped to maintain situational awareness, support expeditionary operations, and respond rapidly to emerging threats. The August 12 flight underscores Navarre's commitment to modernizing existing platforms while adapting them to meet the evolving operational demands of the 21st century battlefield. By integrating SkyTower II and RDESS/SOAR pods, the MQ-9A Reaper becomes an even more formidable tool for intelligence, surveillance, and electronic warfare missions, solidifying its role as a cornerstone of Marine Corps operations in the Indo-Pacific region.